What's up, guys? It's your boy Jared from Soulfly. We are here at the Cherry Hill Mall for Soulfly Saturday. Today we're doing it bigger than we've ever done before. We're giving away Soulfly shirts, socks, concert tickets. We're gonna have a live DJ, and of course, we're gonna have steals and deals for everyone who's coming out. So with that being said, let's just get right into it. As you guys can see, a lot of people popped out. The line is going all the way down to Snipes for the steals and deals. We're gonna go in the line now and we're gonna interview some people. What's up, bro?
What's good? What's good, baby?
My boy Rob here, #1 person in line.
Yep.
Tell the people what time you got here last night.
I've been here since 12 a.m., you feel me? I've been thugging it.
This man got here at 12 a.m., which was like almost 10 hours ago now. Tell them what you're trying to get, what you came here for.
I just came for a little dollar shoe, you feel me? A little dollar shoe, quick flip, keep it pushing.
So I'm here with
Mike.
Mike was the second person in line. So what time did you get here?
I showed up around 4:30, man. I'm on no sleep right now.
So he got here at 4:30. Rob got here, the first person in line, at 12 o'clock. So it's a little bit of a difference between the two. Is there anything that you came here specifically to get?
Just something that's in my size, man. That's it, really. Something that I could pick up for low and just rock them.
Okay.
For sure.
Well, if you know Soulfly, we got steals in every single size. So Mike should be all right, grabbing whatever he needs. And yeah. So now I'm here with
Yanni, Brian.
So I'm here with Yanni and Brian. They popped out, obviously, to Soulfly Saturday. Was there anything that you guys were looking for in particular, or you saw that we posted?
Yeah, like Jordan 4s and stuff, cherries. Yeah, like cherries.
So they're both looking for the cherries. I know the cherries are only $25. I think they're gonna go pretty fast, but I'm not sure, so we're gonna see. How did you guys find out about Soulfly Saturday?
He told me, and then I looked on the page and was like, "Are we gonna go today, like 10 o'clock?" And yeah.
Okay, so he told him. How did you find out about Soulfly Saturday?
I just started following y'all. Y'all started posting it, so I got it.
So they found out on the Instagram page. They're all here with everyone else, so yeah. So I'm here with
Marshall.
And Sienna.
I'm here with Marshall and Siani. They popped out to. Oh, I'm sorry. I said it wrong. Marshall, Sienna.
Yeah.
Okay. Not Siani.
Sienna.
Sienna.
Yeah.
So you just told me Siani.
Sienna.
You know her name? All right.
You better.
I'm with Marshall and Sienna. They popped out Soulfly Saturday. They're in line with everybody else. Was there anything specific that you guys are looking for today?
Yes.
Yeah, some Yeezy slides.
Yeezy slides?
Yeah.
What are you looking for?
Retro 11s.
So he's looking for Retro 11s. Seems to be a popular answer with everyone so far. Are you referring to like the Cherry 11s that we had?
Yeah.
Cherry 11s.
Like I said before, I know we have them for $25. I think it's probably going to be the first shoe to go, but I'm not really sure. Show them what you grabbed. Show them what you grabbed.
Something light, bro. $1, bro. Size 5.5. It's not too bad. It's not too bad, bro.
$1 Grade School Dunk. You see it here. Rob, #1 in line, grabbed a $1 Jordan 5, the red suede. We're going to tap in with him when he's at the register. He's playing the Plinko game right now. Let's go see what he about to win.
I'm not gonna lie to you, everybody in line. That's what y'all were saying. Everybody wanted.
My boy Rob
Hit a 5.
gets nothing less than a Soulfly sticker.
You feel me?
How you feeling?
I'm feeling great. I'm like off, no sleep.
Was it worth it?
It was worth it. It was worth it. You feel me? Look at the cop.
So like I said, red suede 5s, $1, paid cash. Feel about this?
I'm feeling good. I mean, you feel me? I don't really like the shoe, but it's profit everywhere. Shout out Soulfly, you feel me?
So, giving out more shirts, giving out some store credit too. This question is to win a shirt and $10 store credit. What year did Michael Jordan retire?
I believe it was the first time or second time?
The last time.
I believe it was in 2001 or 2003.
Pick one.
2003.
Damn. Yeah, 2003. Back again with the trivia. My question is, how many championships did Michael Jordan win?
That's a lie, I'm not gonna lie. I'm gonna have to ask my dad about that one. I'm still a youngin'. I'm 18.
Take a guess.
Like a good 10.
Close, but nah. We're gonna keep it rolling.
6.
Got it. What year did Soulfly open?
2017.
No, we're gonna keep it going. What year do y'all think Soulfly opened?
1995.
Oh my God. We gonna keep going.
2016.
Closer. Definitely closer, but not quite. What year Soulfly open?
2014.
No. What year Soulfly open?
I'm gonna say 17.
Close, but nah.
2019.
Close. They heating up a little bit. What year Soulfly open?
2018.
2015.
No. What year did Soulfly open up?
2021.
Right. All right, so today I'm here with
Shamir.
we're gonna do a little trivia. She's gonna try to win either a lanyard, socks, or a shirt. Question is, what year did the Jordan 1 come out originally?
85.
85. Perfect, see? All right, y'all, today, so I'm here with
Mitchie Bands.
Okay.
Grease.
Okay. So I saw he's wearing the Lakers jersey, like y'all saw earlier with the other dude. So I asked him, how many championships have the Lakers won?
Say like 30.
Nah, that's a little bit off.
It won like 10.
More.
15.
All right. We're moving on. What year did the Jordan 1 officially come out for the first time?
19. It was in the 70s. It was in the 70s. Yeah, give me 1999.
Oh man. All right. They were both way off. So we're gonna give them one more question to redeem yourselves, right? What college did Michael Jordan go to? Either of y'all can answer.
It was in North Carolina.
North Carolina. All right. So today I'm here with
Cheyenne.
This is Cheyenne. We're doing a little bit of trivia to win Soulfly shirt, socks, or lanyard. Question I've been asking everybody is, what year did the Jordan 1 officially release?
2008. Sorry.
Right. Correct. Today I'm here with
Bean.
Okay. So look, I'm gonna ask you one question. If you get it right, you can either pick a shirt, socks, or a lanyard. Question is, what year did the Jordan 1 officially come out?
85.
85. Right. Yeah, we gotta switch out the question. All right, guys. Today we're gonna interview my second favorite manager, Hollywood Brian. It's my boy Hollywood Brian. What do you have to say? He's a little awkward sometimes. Today I'm here with
Talia.
Rashad.
So Soulfly Saturday. How y'all feel about this?
I love Soulfly Saturday. They be jumping.
Okay.
Yeah, that joint jumping, like, I ain't gonna lie, like, you feel me?
All right, now give him a quick fit check real quick.
Now, you feel me? Like, I'm on the 7s today, you feel me? Sonny, that's too crazy, you feel me? Like, it's Soulfly shirt, you feel me? That's too crazy, you feel me?
Fit check.
I'm crying. Soulfly drip, Soulfly lanyard, can't forget that. With the torture sweatpants, nice pine 3
What socks?
Bro, the socks.
All right. Keep it rolling. All right, y'all. Today I'm here with
Feel me? Spiral _ collections, man. We in the building, man.
Spiral in the building. If y'all don't know, this man runs this whole mall. Let's get a fit check.
Feel me? Got the fit on. Feel me?
Let's go. Run through it.
Got the spiral full zips. You feel me? Y'all see what's on the feet. Feel me? They a little beat. They a little beat right now. I ain't gonna lie. Feel me? I'm on some bunny stuff. Got the spiral sweats on. You feel me? Something calm. Feel me?
Spiral head to toe. Y'all see it? Keep it rolling. Do a little fit check. So run us through the outfit.
Shirt, Soulfly. Bracelets, my guy. Pants, Sheen.
Okay.
New Balances, this place in Philly.
All right, y'all. Last but not least, I'm here with
Litzy.
I got 2 questions for Litzy. One question, how are we feeling about Soulfly Saturday?
It's lit. We busy, so come by and get your last minute deals.
Okay. Next thing, we've been running through this with everybody. Can you give us a breakdown of your outfit?
My outfit. Oh, I got the Soulfly tee, and then some Sheen jeans, and then the Royal.
Heard it here first. Royal jeans, Soulfly shirt, Soulfly Saturday. Come shop. Today I'm here with
the CFO.
This is the money man of Soulfly right here. We got a couple trivia questions so you can win some Soulfly socks. What year did the first Jordan 1 come out?
I don't remember. I was a baby.
He was a baby. He doesn't remember. Second question. What year did Soulfly open up?
2021.
Right. Who is the district manager of Soulfly?
Little James Herb.
Shout out Chaparro.